Every journey becomes smoother when you're equipped with the right tools. Innovative travel accessories can transform your trips from stressful to seamless, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. Whether you're embarking on a quick weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, these essentials are your secret weapon. Packing cubes. Effortlessly keep your suitcase organized with packing cubes. These lightweight compartments help separate clothes, shoes, and toiletries, making it easier to find what you need without digging through your entire bag. They also save space, letting you pack more without overstuffing. Portable charger or power bank. In today's tech-dependent world, staying connected is non-negotiable. A high-capacity portable charger ensures your devices are always powered, whether you're navigating with maps, capturing memories, or streaming entertainment during a long flight. Travel-sized toiletry bottles. Avoid the hassle of TSA restrictions with reusable, leak-proof travel bottles for your favorite toiletries. They fit perfectly in your carry-on, ensuring you always have your essentials without taking up too much space. Universal travel adapter. Electrical outlets vary worldwide, but a universal travel adapter guarantees your devices are always compatible. Look for one with multiple USB ports to charge multiple gadgets simultaneously. Noise-canceling headphones. Whether on a noisy flight or staying in a bustling city, noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer. They create a serene audio experience, perfect for unwinding with music or podcasts wherever you are. Reusable water bottle with filter. Stay hydrated without the need to buy single-use plastic bottles. A reusable water bottle with a built-in filter ensures access to clean water, reducing waste and saving money. Compression socks improve circulation for long-haul flights or extensive walking days, reducing swelling and fatigue. They're a small addition that makes a big difference in comfort. Keep your travel documents, credit cards, and cash safe and organized with a slim RFID blocking travel wallet. It adds an extra layer of security while keeping your essentials easily accessible. Avoid excess baggage fees with a compact luggage scale. Weigh your bag before heading to the airport and save yourself from unexpected charges at check-in. Accidents happen, but being prepared makes all the difference. A small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers ensures you're ready for minor emergencies. The right travel accessories aren't just luxuries, but investments in convenience, comfort, and peace of mind. With these must-have items, you'll feel more organized, prepared, and ready to focus on enjoying your journey. Pack smart and travel stress-free. Your next adventure awaits. You'll be prepared for anything with these essentials.